Making slang work, expanding vocabulary in professional settings. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the language: slang and colloquialisms. Now, you might be thinking, isn't slang informal? Well, yes and no. The key is to know when and how to use it, even in professional settings. This can enhance your communication and make you sound more fluent and native-like. Ready to expand your vocabulary and understanding? Let's get started. Simply put, slang refers to informal language often specific to a particular group, age, or culture, while colloquialisms are informal expressions or phrases used in everyday conversation. While many might see them as casual, they can sometimes find their way into professional talks to make communication more relatable or to simplify complex ideas. Understanding these terms is crucial for 1. Building rapport. Sometimes, using slang can help you connect with colleagues or clients, especially if they use certain terms frequently. 2. Keeping up with fast-paced discussions. If everyone in a meeting is using slang or colloquial terms and you're left puzzled, you could miss out on crucial information. 3. Conveying ideas succinctly. Occasionally, a slang term or colloquialism can summarize a long-winded idea perfectly. 1. Read widely. Delve into diverse reading materials such as magazines, blogs, or even fiction. You'll stumble upon slang and colloquialisms naturally. 2. Engage in conversations. Chat with native speakers or colleagues. They might use slang terms that you can ask about and then incorporate into your own vocabulary. 3. Watch movies or series. Shows, especially modern ones, often have characters using slang. This also helps with understanding the context of use. 4. Maintain a slang diary. Jot down any new slang or colloquialisms you come across. Review and practice them regularly. 5. Use slang sparingly. Remember, it's easy to overdo it. Use slang appropriately and don't force it. It's always good to test out what you've learned. Maybe throw in a slang term, appropriately, in your next professional meeting and observe the reactions. Or, discuss with a mentor or colleague about the slang terms you've discovered and seek their opinions on its professional appropriateness. There you have it. Slang and colloquialisms, while often seen as informal, can have their place in professional settings when used judiciously. Expanding your vocabulary in this direction not only makes you sound more native-like but can also enhance your communication in various scenarios. Remember, it's all about balance. Happy learning and see you in the next video.